welcome to my channel. This is my first video on this channel, so I'm really excited to hop on into it. Today we are going to be learning how to bake cake pops, these delicious snacks you can bring to any party, you can bring to a wedding, you can bring to a gathering, whatever, a sleepover, perfect. They're low in calories, they're a good way to use up kind of like old cake and make nice stuff out of it, so let's hop right into it. Now, before you even begin, you need all your ingredients out. First, you're going to need some cake mix, or you can bake a cake that your grandma had a recipe for. It doesn't matter, just has to be cake. Now, before you can even start, you have to bake the cake like I did and make it room temperature. Then you can go to the store, go to Walmart, I don't know if they have them at Kroger, but you can get different types of candy melts. Doesn't matter which brand, as long as you follow the directions to heat them up. Cake pop sticks, at least 25, and any frosting of your choice, any cake of your choice, any candy melts of your choice. You can make a lemon flavored cake with orange candy melts, who knows? Remember to always wash your hands before beginning baking. You want to have a large bowl and your cake. You want to dig in there, get the crumbs, and crumble them into the bowl. You're gonna take the crumbs and crumble them all up until they're a fine crumb, like about this size. And you're gonna do this as the whole cake until the whole bowl is filled. Once your cake crumbs are in a fine crumb-like state, put 4 cups of it into a separate bowl. Then add a 1/4 cup of frosting and mix with a spoon until you get a dough-like texture. Once you finish mixing with a spoon, it should look like this. Grab a cookie sheet with parchment paper. Take some of the dough and roll it into about a 1/4 wide balls. The 4 cups of cake crumbs and the 1/4 cup of frosting has made 15 cake frosting balls for right now. The cake pops into a freezer-like area. After about 20 minutes, grab 2 cake balls out of the freezer, chopstick and dip it into the melted candy. Then stick it lightly through the cake pop, barely through the middle. Once hardened, dip the cake pop into the mixture and roll. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry at the ending, I didn't really have that much audio to it, but I get kind of shy when my family's around. So I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe for more content and comment down below what I should bake next, because I'm down for any suggestions. And yeah, bye!